Chandra, let's do this with you. As you can see, I have a deck of cards in my hand which has a lot of different values and it has different suits and it has different colors. So consider this deck of cards is like equal to human beings.
Okay.
You know, a deck of cards has two colors, red and black.
Yes.
And it has 4 suits, hearts and diamonds and spades and clubs. Are you aware of it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you were to select any random card from 1 to 52, out of these 52 cards, if you were to select any one random card, what would that card be?
Maybe 9 from red hearts.
Okay, 9 of hearts is what you have selected.
Yes.
Okay, let us just find out where is that 9 of hearts. And all if this is visible on the screen. Okay. Let us see. Okay, here we have 9. Let me put this and let me take this out. Is this visible?
Yes, it is visible.
9 of hearts is what you have selected out of the random. Let me put this here. Is this here?
Yes.
Okay, Chandra. So this is the card that you have selected randomly out of 52 cards, right?
Correct. Yes.
So this is your choice, right? Let me take this choice out and you can probably see this one is going right here. And now what we'll do is, you will see at the back of this card, I have a little picture.
Yes.
Yeah, I have drawn this picture by myself.
Okay.
And this is actually a baby who is dressed as a magician.
Okay.
With a hat standing on a stage. So you can
Okay.
probably see every card has this picture.
Yes.
And this is something that I've created for you. This is dedication to you, because I genuinely feel that a baby who is growing out of a cell, and that seed, that cell that grows into a baby, is actually no less than a magic.
Definitely yes. It's actually a miracle.
Right?
Yes.
Yes, it is. And just like the way every cell grows and it takes the form of an organ, and then a lot of organs combined, and then the whole baby is formed, and then life enters into the baby, and then we give birth to the baby.
Yes.
So just like this, you will see this baby little magician will actually take life. Okay? So you're going to witness something magical here. And you will see this baby taking life. I want you to clearly see this.
Yes, I am able to see.
Let me just move a little forward. Now you can see this
Yes,
baby?
yes, very clear.
Okay. Now, is it visible?
Yes.
Now if you see, this baby is actually moving his
Hand, yeah.
towards the hat.
Correct.
Can you see?
Correct.
Yeah. And he's
Taken off the hat also.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's taken the hat out of his head. And you can see with his another hand is actually reaching out into the hat. You can see?
Yes.
And now he is actually taking a rabbit. Can you see?
Yeah.
This one?
Yes.
And what if I tell you that this is actually not a rabbit?
Yes.
He is actually taking something. Do you remember that you have chosen?
Correct.
At the end?
Oh my God! How is this possible even?
So that baby has actually taken out this card that you have selected.
Oh my God! This is I can't say only. This is astonishing and amazing. I did not this even number 9 got like a very magical for me. Just I was thinking and I got 9, and how come this is possible? This is amazing. Really magical and miraculous. Very nice.
Thank you. Alright दोस्तों, अगर आपको ऐसी मैजिक वीडियोस देखकर एंटरटेन होना है तो सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. ऑल्सो प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन सो दैट यू गेट नोटिफाइड अबाउट एवरी मैजिकल अपडेट. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आप मैजिक सीखने में इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक को क्लिक कीजिए एंड मैजिक कोर्स एक्सेस कीजिए. एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. I'll see you again on every Thursday and Saturday 7 p.m.